Brief, accurate and important news of today's Wednesday. The murder case between 8 families in Sarabi district was solved, and the enmity between them turned into a friendship with the efforts of Kabul Ulama Council and the provincial authority. Officials of Balkh province say, in Balkh province, the vegetable oil factory started operating again after 20 years of suspension. Qari Muhammad Yusuf Ahmadi began his job as the new director of National Television and was introduced to the employees of National Television during a meeting. Minister of Finance says the smuggling of precious stones and smartphones was prevented by Turkham Customs. Bilal Karimi, deputy spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate, said at the gathering that national radio and television are the core of the voice of the nation and deliver the voice of the people to the authorities in a committed manner. The Minister of National Defense says 150 Mujahideen in the Protection and Security Brigade graduated in a ceremony after 3 months of professional training. Kabul municipality says in the 8th block of Ahmad Shah Baba Mena, the construction work of a sub-roads has progressed by 78%. The Afghanistan Wushu national team went to Iran yesterday to take part in the trilateral friendly matches between Afghanistan, Pakistan and Iran.